Hi friends, let me show you this AirTag 4-pack that I bought for my accessories. As you know, these AirTags help you to find some of your stuff, your wallet, your purse, your backpack, your briefcase, whatever you want to locate with this Apple technology, you can do it. And I bought the 4-pack because, of course, it will be a better price relationship to one AirTag instead of buying 4 AirTags individually, okay? So you get 4 AirTags like this, and of course you can activate them really easily with your phone with the Find My app, and you can configure each of them with different names for different accessories, okay? So you need an easy way to locate your belongings. This is a great way to do it. Even with the large network of Apple devices that share the location of these kind of accessories, even if they are not your own, okay? They use a CR2032 battery, round coin battery. They come with one, and it's easy to change it when they run out of this battery, okay? So let's try them. Perfect.